So putting away the Celestron box as well. It does look like it is new. Nothing to worry about. Okay. Now I get to open it. Okay. Oh, isn't that awesome? That's a couple of unboxings. I bought this because it's not that heavy. I might graduate some other day to a bigger product if need be. But for now, this should do the trick for me. I like the carrying pouch. There's a cleaning cloth. There's some more protection here. Oh, yeah. This protection must be required when I'm traveling to, places. Two cups to close the viewing, close the object pieces, and this is for closing the eyepieces, and both of these eyepieces look okay. I saw another video where this one was loose and coming off, so nice. There you go, my Celestron binoculars, my beginner binoculars, along with my night vision flashlight, Sony WF-1000X M4. Yeah, this also looks brand new. Good thing I didn't get any used stuff. Great.